What's up, y'all? Just got off freaking work. Got some packages in. Just gonna unbox some of them. I don't even know what all I got. Been ordering so much stuff. Got me a little tulip lens for the camera. Pretty much if you taking pictures and whatnot when you go outside, it stops the sun and everything like that from messing up your pictures or videos or anything like that. And I finally got me a polarized filter right there. Probably end up using that, trying it out this weekend, seeing if it's worth the lick. And then I got my 2 big boxes over here. Let's see. Some good old, let's see what the names on that box. Good old Texas Speed. 2 boxes. Probably end up getting this put on this weekend, maybe Sunday. I don't really know yet. But if y'all know what's in the boxes, take a wild guess at it, leave it in the comments. And I might tell you if you're right, if you're wrong, I don't know yet. But we got some changes coming to the vet real soon. Also ordered these little clips right here. I don't know, on these C6 vets and stuff. Had a problem with the little bumper, like it pushes up. I guess something happened to the clips or whatnot, I don't know. So I had to order me some new ones. Hopefully I'll put that in this weekend too. And maybe I should fix it and be putting my new decals and stuff on the back of the car this weekend. Got a good bit of stuff to do this weekend, so y'all stay tuned. I'm bringing in some videos, probably about 2 to 3 videos this week. Y'all just stay tuned.